and welcome to Kitchen Jazz with Luefras. You know I couldn't leave you out this football season, so I am making a favorite. Who doesn't like wings? Man, I can eat wings anytime, several times a week. I love chicken wings. So today, we're not just having chicken wings, but lemon garlic pepper chicken wings. That's right, lemon garlic pepper chicken wings. I think you're gonna love this. Well, stay tuned. I'm gonna take you on a journey. I think we scored with this one. All right. And like I said, I am fixing the perfect game day snack. I am making some lemon pepper wings. You know, I was raised old school, so I never take meat out the packet and just cook it. I am I'm rinsing off the chicken wings before I cook them. Okay, I've got peanut oil getting nice and hot on the stove, and we're gonna drop the wings in just a minute. A little seasoning concoction of seasoning salt, garlic, lemon pepper, poultry season, pepper, and more garlic. And we're gonna mince up some garlic, and that's just gonna set it off. Yeah. And I'm taking some Wegmans organic lemon garlic marinade, mixing it with my minced garlic, and I'm gonna crush up some pepper. All right, our wings have been tossed in the seasoning, and now it's time to drop them in the grease. Oh yeah, we're gonna let these fry until they get nice and golden brown, and then they're going in the oven so we can finish them off. They will be perfect. Lemon pepper wings coming right up. And these wingettes, they're going to cook for approximately 10, 12 minutes. We'll see. Just kind of guesstimating. Like I said, we're starting to take some of the wings out. They're not quite ready to eat, but you see they have that nice, pretty golden brown color, which is what I'm aiming for. We're going to finish them off in the oven. Put the oven on like 375 and give them another 10 minutes. And we're going to put a little topping on them, and it's going to be awesome. Now that the wings are almost at the finish line, taking some of my lemon garlic marinade, Wegmans organic, mixing it with that crushed garlic, and I'm gonna take some cracked pepper and put on the top of those wings. And it's gonna be good. And potato salad is always a perfect match for wings. Oh yeah, it's getting good now. Okay, we're about to take this to the oven. These wings are practically done. We're gonna give them another 7 to 10 minutes in the oven. Now I'm gonna start drizzling this marinade over them. And we're gonna let them cook in the oven. And I've got some minced garlic up in there. And it's just gonna be beautiful when it comes out. All right. Okay, I'm tossing the wings in that marinade just before they get in the oven. And we are on to something special off the press. Hot off the press. Will you look at that? I'm about to toss these babies, and I'm gonna plate them on a serving plate. Ooh, and I've gotta get my pepper. Yes, gonna add that douse of pepper. Ooh, it's gonna be good. These wings are so good, I could just cry. I'm getting emotional. This is a winner, guys. You have to try these. You will not cook your wings the same again. Oh my goodness. Hail to the lemon garlic pepper wings. Yes, I didn't say Redskins, I said the wings. All right. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Kitchen Jazz with Luefras. That's all I'm gonna say. And you're watching Luefras TV.